Quick question, are you still using paper name cards? The ones that get thrown away, forgotten, or lost? That's why people are switching to something smarter, a digital name card. It's cleaner, easier to update, and so simple to share via a QR code, a link, or even in your email signature. You do not have to reprint or even reorder them anymore. Let me introduce you to One Good Card. With One Good Card, you can create a sleek digital profile that acts like a one-page website for you, complete with your contact details, social links, even your sales deck and product listings. Plus, everything is wrapped in your branding too, so it looks professional and truly yours. I'm Crystal, the content and social media manager here at One Good Card, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your very own digital name card for free using our platform. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to otc.link to create your account. You can sign up with your email address or through a Google account too. Remember to use a strong password for security. Alright, so once you've signed up for your One Good Card account, we'll walk you through a quick onboarding process. Here's where you can add all your personal details. Things like your name, your designation, your contact number, all the basics people need to know. While you're here, you can also upload a profile picture if you have them on hand. Don't worry if you don't, you can always add them in later. Once onboarding's done, here comes the fun part, customizing the digital name card. Under your business cards, click on the little pen tool to edit your card. So let's get start with the widgets. This is where you can add all sorts of links. For example, your company's Facebook and Instagram pages, your website, and even your personal LinkedIn. The best part, these are clickable widgets, so when someone taps them, they'll be taken straight to that page. If you don't know where to start, don't worry. We've already prepared some widget templates that you can use. There's the Essentials template, which is super simple, just the basics you need. And then there's the Creative template if you want something like a little more flair and visuals. And finally, the Professional template, which includes more company information and great for corporate use. All you have to do is pick one of these templates and fill out your details. Now let's spice things up with some visuals. You can upload images, videos, or even documents to your digital business card. I personally love adding product images so people instantly know what my company does. And if I want to make it more engaging, I can even drop in a YouTube video. To top it off, I'll also add my company catalog that showcases our services. This way, my digital name card isn't just about contact information, it also carries so much more like a mini website or a mini portfolio. Feel free to rearrange your widgets however you like. You can move them around like this, or group them under different headers, or even add text widgets to organize everything neatly. Now let's move on to styling. This is one of my favorite parts of creating this free digital business card. Here you can make the card feel like you. You can tweak the colors and styles of this card. And if you're in a rush, we've already had ready-made templates that's free to use and it looks great out of the box. But if you're someone like me who loves to customize, you're gonna have so much fun here. Under Style, you can choose your banner image or colors, update your background, and even adjust the colors of your icons so everything matches your branding. So let's start with the banner. Here, I can choose a solid color or an image. Personally, I'll go with an image for my banner because it makes the card stand out when someone views it. Just like this. And now I'm going to move on to the background. It's the same idea. You can choose either a solid color or an image. But one thing to keep in mind, try not to choose something too busy or cluttered, otherwise your text can get lost in it. For example, if I use this background, you can see how the header text becomes really hard to read. So I'll recommend going with something cleaner and more subtle. In my case, I'm going to apply this image as my background instead. Alright, next up, you can also change the colors of your icons. It might look like a tiny detail, but trust me, it really ties everything together. I'm going to pick this color so that it matches my branding. But if you're not sure what color to use, You can use a color picker extension and grab a contrasting shade from your background, just like this. Once you're happy with your design and customization, don't forget to save it. Now that your card is all set up, let's talk about sharing it. Each digital business card comes with a QR code and a unique link. You can share your card by simply scanning the QR code or sharing the link directly. And here's a tip for you. You can even add your digital name card to your email signature or your virtual background, and they can be found in the settings over here. That way, every email you send or even every Zoom call you join, people automatically see your card. They can simply click or scan the QR code to see your full business card. Plus, if you ever have new information or need to update your details, you can simply log in and edit your digital business card anytime. It also doesn't just stop here. You can also use OneGoodCard as a simple CRM to store and manage your contacts, just over here and here. You can even track your sales or progress, see who you've connected with, and follow up with the leads more easily. And all of these can be found just right over here. There are so many features for you to explore that can help you stay organized and be on top of your networking game. Alright, that's it. You've seen how easy it is to create your own digital name card with OneGoodCard. And it's completely free to use. So go check it out and create yours today. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.